A very good morning, students. In last session, we have covered about two sessions of marketing, segmentation, targeting, and positioning chapter. That was unit second. In today's session, we are covering the session three part. That is last step. That is known as positioning the product. How to positioning the product. So let's start the session now. Positioning the product, it means pitching the product or creating a place for one product in the market. It means how people will know about your product. They can know about with name, they can know about their famous market in the place, they can know with some brand, they can know with some particular symbol. So how they are creating their image in the market, how pitching the product or creating a place for one product in the market, it is known as positioning the product. For attaining a place, the firm has to highlight certain features which makes it a unique or different from competitor products. So positioning helps to create a distinct image in the market for positioning of product. For example, Pepsodent. Pepsodent has positioned with name like Germy Checks. Or Close-Up, it has position like toothpaste that gives freshness. So people will know about Pepsodent as Germy Checks, Close-Up as known as that gives freshness. So positioning is what you will make the customer think about you and how they perceive your product in relation to other product. A brand position established over a year through the various promotional tools. Like they can make it do by publishing, advertising, and also word of mouth. Mouth wording is the best advertisement for a product. Positioning can be done by using both. It can be done by tangible as well as non-tangible items. Like tangible mean to say fridge with door cooling technology. Washing powder that doesn't produce lint. As well as non-tangible means dummy cool powder, thanda thanda cool cool. So a company can very effectively use its unique selling proposition. Now question can be asked in one mark. What is the full form of USP? USP means to say unique selling proposition. It is for positioning. And even product differentiation can form a very effective basis for segmentation. Again, I am asking what is USP? USP means unique selling proposition. It means how it is unique in the market, how the product is uniquely known in the market. So positioning can be done different types of basis. It can be done on the basis of customer characteristics, product characteristics, on the basis of price level. So let's start with different policies how to position a product in the market. First is positioning on the basis of product characteristics. In this strategy, the marketer tries to position his product on the basis of benefit to the customer that is derived from a product. Like example is given, Perform mattress have been positioned on the basis of comfort it provides it to its user. Whirlpool has positioned its refrigerator on the basis of quick ice making. Fair and Lovely says that it can make one fairer. Olay says that it can give you wrinkle-free screen. So these products are actually highlighting their product benefits and they are trying to position themselves on the basis of their benefits. Sometimes a firm can use two or three benefits as well. So if the company does so, then it has to be very careful as it can result in confused image of product also. Sometimes we are preparing the characteristic that is related with other product also. So it will create confusion and your product will get failure in market. So we have to position the product by keeping in mind a very comfortable scenario that is fitted in the customer mind, that customer can learn, that customer can listen different from other product. Next is positioning on the basis of price. Some products are positioned on the basis of different price level, like on the basis of terms of price. Many marketers try to position themselves on the basis of economy provided by them to the customer. Like Ginger chain of hotels has positioned itself, the store like Reliance Fresh and Big Bazaar have positioned themselves as an economical store. Similarly, many marketers try to position their product on the basis of their price, where they are giving less price items and they are known for a uh, effective marketing. They are also known as a cost effective market. Next is positioning on the basis of quality. It means quality and price are related to each other. High price is generally associated with higher quality. All big brands keep their price exceptionally high to indicate their exceptionally good quality. So a company can give the indication that it is charging high price because it is delivering a quality product. For example, handbags of Da Malino height sign are very good quality and very expensive. Take one more example like Mercedes Benz. They are charging high quality price because they are known for branding due to high quality and different feature. So this is the basis of quality. Positioning on the basis of user. Positioning on the basis of user means to say number of users are more or less. It is also the basis to associate a product with a user. Various Bollywood stars have been associated with Lux, which gives the impression that Lux is a soap of stars. Similarly, Salman Khan endorsing the thumbs up advertising, he says that आज कुछ ठंडा तूफानी चाहिए, आज कुछ ठंडा तूफानी करते हैं. So the fan following Salman would find adventure in drinking thumbs up because Salman Khan has made that particular sign. Like when he's advertising for thumbs up, he will speak, "आज कुछ तो funny करते हैं," and all people who are using that product they feel that it is giving energy to the person because celebrity is doing the advertisement for the same. So it is the basis of users who is using the product. Next is positioning on the basis of symbol and illustration. Many marketers use various symbol or illustration to create a distinct image of themselves and position themselves accordingly. Like Rath Vanaspati use the symbol Rath on as a brand. It means when we are taking any Vanaspati oil and it is written that Rath Vanaspati, then you need to check Rath symbol. Then it is original. Jojo's of Vodafone, it is another example. One can find many examples of this type of strategy in Indian advertising and it is especially helpful in case of your target audience. And positioning on the basis of different product class. This type of strategy is also used by the marketer to find out the product are offering different from existing product and use it on the basis of positioning. So it create their own product class. Like for example, peanut butter is not category of butter, but it is different from it. Sprite pitched itself against Coca-Cola and Pepsi as an uncola, sometime which is not cola. It is different type of product class. So we are discussing some part of positioning, how they are positioning the product. Like product is Whirlpool. Whirlpool is positioning like ice magic, makes ice very quickly. LG door cooling technology. It is the positioning attribute. Samsung convertible fridge. Kelvinator, the coolest one. So these are some examples for positioning the product. Thumbs up we have discussed now only. आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं. Third one, next one we have done about dummy cool. It's ठंडा ठंडा cool cool. So how the product is getting demand in the market, how the customer know about the product feature or product name, how the customer is buying the product for market. It is the concept of positioning. So in this session we have completed the unit second, third part. If you are facing any doubt in any part like in segmentation, positioning or targeting, you can ask me personally by calling or by giving the WhatsApp message. So this session we have covered, you have completed second unit. Thank you. Have a nice day.